Hi Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for those that are in communication, even if it's just a little bit, and they will be coming into union. That is the energy that I channel. If you're not sure if this reading is for you, I do have another playlist for those who are in separation and no contact. So if you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. It is not gender specific, it's timeless, and it's only Piscean energy. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services so that I can help you. My details are below. My specials are out on my Facebook and Instagram. You can get them there. My links are below. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe for me. I am pushing to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can improve my channel for you. So I will really appreciate your help and support. And let's see what is happening, Pisces. First card that came out for you was the Two of Wands, and the Two of Wands is about having a connection with someone, even though there might be a lot of distance between them. So for some of you, I do feel there's a lot of distance, literally distance between the two of you, but you always feel the connection with them. It's just like two flames that cannot be separated, doesn't matter how much distance there are. And for some of you, this might only be an emotional distance, but I do pick up for those that I'm channeling here for today, there might be literal distance, that you are far away from your twin flame or soulmate, but always feeling that connection. You just cannot shake that connection. And I feel like you are at that point of closing this distance. You are making the decision in regards to this connection very strongly here, Pisces. I feel that. I'm not going to stick to my usual order of the cards here because the energies kind of came out a little bit different for you, Pisces. The Knight of Cups in this specific deck is a knight that does not take action. He's got his head up in the clouds, he's fantasizing, he's really daydreaming and all of those beautiful energies, but he's not taking action. He's kind of looking at this beautiful cup over here and daydreaming and fantasizing and feeling the love, but not doing anything about it. All right. And this is where you've been in this connection. Now, for some, I do feel this is a brand new connection. And you might be far from this person and you just cannot shake this feeling, this connection. You feel this very strong connection, soul bond to this person, and you've been really dreaming about this and fantasizing about this, but haven't been taking action. You just had your head up in the clouds, feeling the love, but not taking action. And this is a very Piscean type of energy. You are the dreamer, Pisces, of the zodiac. And this is you dreaming about this beautiful connection and this beautiful love, but have not taken action towards it for some reason. Okay, well, that is shifting. Okay, that is shifting. You are making that decision to close the distance here, whether it's emotional or whether it is literal distance. Okay, this is what I feel, and this card definitely tells me that whether this is a new connection or older connection, doesn't matter. You are coming forward here to claim victory. You are coming forward to communicate your truth. With this Ace of Swords, you can see he's not wearing an armor. He's coming with a very pure intent, and he's planning on having a victory here and a beginning, a beautiful, truthful, honest beginning. So you have moved through those energies of just dreaming about this, Pisces, and you are actually taking action now and coming to claim your victory here with this person, whether or not this is a new connection or this is one from the past. Either way, you cannot shake this connection. You cannot shake that bond that you feel with them, that soul connection that you feel with them. They may have left you out in the cold here because you weren't taking action. Again, whether or not this is a new connection or an older connection, your person may have left you out in the cold and walked away because you weren't taking action in the past. Or because there was distance or whatever the reason might be, but that really crippled you. this really crippled you, left you feeling out in the cold. You were kind of, yes, again, praying for help, not sure what to do, but holding on to this connection very tightly. There's something pure and something innocent about it. You've gone through a massive changes with a number 5 there during this time, whether it's been a short time or a long time that you've been out in the cold, left in the cold by them. You may even have left them out in the cold. While you were just fantasizing and not taking action, they may have felt out in the cold, but this is your energy, so I feel they may have turned their back on you, or they may have stopped putting anything into this connection, because there was no action taken here, Pisces. They may have not even been aware that you are absolutely in love and feeling all these beautiful emotions and daydreaming and fantasizing about them. They just saw the no action, and they may have left you out in the cold, and you're not planning on staying out in the cold here. You're coming to claim your victory, coming for that beautiful new start, coming with the truth, coming to open up your emotions to them, tell them what you feel, and you are gonna just be open, not even trying to guard your heart here. You're not even going to try and guard your heart. You were guarding your heart. You were fantasizing and had your head up in the clouds and feeling all the love, but you can see he's wearing an armor. He was protecting his heart. He wasn't open about his emotions. That's why you didn't take action. But now you're coming, dropping that guard and coming in with the truth and opening up about your emotions. You are done just fantasizing about it with this 4 of Cups in reverse. 4 of Cups is about fantasizing. It's about not taking action, taking time to really get grounded, take time to think about it, to contemplate it, fantasize with it. Pegasus over there, really fantasize about this beautiful love, but not doing anything about it. And then in reverse, you're just done. You're just done fantasizing about it. Done having your head up in the clouds. Done thinking about it. Done. You're coming to claim victory here. Taking action. Good for you, Pisces. Good for you. And yeah, you feel that soul connection. You feel that this is your soulmate or your twin flame. You are in no doubt about that. You truly and deeply feel the connection with them, whether or not you are far from them. And you are coming for something very specific. You're coming for a solid commitment, a long-term commitment, something really beautiful. You might even propose, but definitely marriage card is about a long-term commitment. So you are not playing around here, Pisces. You are done being in your head about it. You are coming to claim a long-term and solid commitment with them. You want to spend your life with this person. And there's a lot of divinity and a lot of magic around this connection that I feel. And you feel it too. And this is why you're coming forward, yeah. Wow, this is very powerful energies. Pisces, I am very happy for you taking this action. It's really beautiful. Yeah. And yeah, we can only dream that long, then we have to start doing something about it, right? We can't just dream it into reality. We have to actually take the action as well. And I'm so happy to see you are taking action. I'm going to leave it there, Pisces. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. My specials are out on my Facebook and Instagram. You can get them there. My links are below. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe for me. So I can get to that 1,000 subscribers and improve my channel for you. I will really appreciate your support. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Pisces.